So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Lenovo IdeaPad Legion Pro 5.7. So guys, open any browsers to Google search box to like that, type as it is same, just go to first link which is pcsupport.lenovo.com. This is officially website. Okay, then go to this URL. Then guys, you can see this is the first automatic update the driver. Just click to download now. After you detect system or automatically detect your required driver, and then you just single click to install it. Okay, then just second is the guys manual. If you have to facing some issues and you have to install the separate driver, just click to select the driver. Then you can see this is the all driver you can see here. Just okay, and the first, so I'm talking about the audio drivers. Click to audio, then you can see this is audio driver. Just click to download. You can see this is downloading, so wait few seconds, it will complete it. After completed, you just single click to setup. Okay, then give to access of administrator, you click to yes. Then guys, okay, then accept. This is the agreement. Okay, do not read, this is a waste of time. You just have driver to just click to next. You can see this is two types. You just select the install, the next, and then install. Now you can see this is a first extracting and then installing driver automatically. Okay, of audio driver, Realtek audio driver. Wait few seconds, it will complete shortly. Then guys, audio driver successfully installed, then okay, and then finish it. Then restart your system guys.